Hey friends, so this here is our swarm trap that we're going to try to get a native, hopefully it's a native swarm of honeybees. So we're getting it ready, we're going to get it hung up in a tree today. I've got some bee resin in my hand, it's raw propolis, and you're supposed to soften it in your hand by getting warmed up. So I'm going to just get some poured in, dump in. It looks like bacon bits. You see that? So I'll just kind of rub it in here. This is what the directions say to do. I don't need it all. Okay, I'll put the rest back in the thing here. Open the bag. It does smell pretty good. Get some of this excess. This is the first time we've done this, so I don't know how much you're supposed to. I was supposed to scent 4 swarm traps, it says. So now we know. All right. So now we take this is a space bar. We'll put that in here. And we get 2 frames. Now you've already seen when we melted the wax in. Set this in. Set another one. And then grab one of these, because there's a vial here. It's got lemongrass scent. I don't know what I did with it. It's a lemongrass. It's a lure for the honeybee. So that's what's in this little vial here. There's 2 of them. The entrance is on this side of the swarm box. It's down right down there. You'll see it once we get hung up. I'll open it up. So we'll put that vial towards the entrance. I've got 2 of these. I'll grab this other one here. And we get 2 more frames. I thought there was 7. There's 6 frames. All right. Force that over, and then I think the wedge is supposed to fit in this way, but it's not, so I'm just gonna put it in which shuts fine. Yeah, so we're just gonna leave it like that then. So that's fine. Okay. Alright. I'm gonna get this closed up here. I'll show you the other side. So we'll hang this up in a tree. We're going to ratchet strap it to the tree, and then we'll open up the entrance here. Alright, now we're going to go with the tree. Okay, so now we're back where we're going to hang this trap up, so now you can watch me fumble and struggle getting this up into the tree and strap down. So I got a level, so now I got to make sure it's level. Oh boy, she's really close. But anyway, you're gonna have to hand me the ratchet strap. Okay. Who knows what you're gonna catch on camera? think she's leveling. Right on, perfect level.
You remember why we're doing it level?
So the comb, yeah,
Go straight up and down and they don't have.
yeah, that's right. Because the frames, yeah, if the frames are straight up and down, the comb will be straight up and down. Double check it. Level both ways. Open up the entrance. The entrance only the entrance only opens up a little bit. It's to allow a ramp on the inside portion towards the entrance. So there's a slot in here. This portion stays ramped up the way it is, and when they land in there, this kind of helps them get in there a little bit more, especially if they swarm on here. Because when they come in here to swarm, you know, when they bring the whole hive, or the whole, what, the family of bees? Swarm of
Colony.
bees? Colony of bees. They'll be all over the place. It usually takes them, apparently it takes them about an hour for them to all get in here once the whole colony is here. So this ramp kind of helps them. Anyways, that's that. We'll check it every so often and see what happens.